I've been at the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden program for 6 years now. I enjoy every minute of it. I was retired, looking for something to do, and have been here ever since and absolutely love it.
I like the program because you can integrate so much of your curriculum into the kitchen garden. Hands-on experiences just bring so much to their learning. It's also had a major impact in literacy and numeracy with regards to weighing vegetables, measuring ingredients. They also like the idea of getting into the garden and doing that whole hands-on experience and seeing things grow over a period of time, because to understand how a carrot grows, how it can grow from a tiny little seed to a seedling to something that we can harvest and use has been amazing to watch.